Nlaka'pamux. My relatives.
nłeʔképmxcin. Mother-in-law, older female relative of spouse. Citxw. Father-in-law, spouse's male relative. She. Daughter-in-law, nephew's wife. Sheppen. Son-in-law or niece's husband. Studel. Woman's female in-law of same generation. Sister, cousin-in-law. Citxw. Man's male in-law of same generation. Brother, cousin-in-law. Citxw. Cousin, cross-sex relative. Also in-law, cross-sex relative. Citxw.
Citxw Bernice Garcia for helping develop the nlaka'pamxcin flashcards, and Citxw to all our knowledge keepers. Resource developed by Citxw Nlaka'pamux Assembly.